The old guy miniature yacht clubs there again. They got their miniature electric yachts out. I bet they're expensive, them little tiddly boats. Sad old boat. Well, keeps the old people busy, doesn't it? Their silly little boats. The old windsurfer as well. Yeah, it's funny that. I bet they're like 600 quid or something to go then, I think. Yes, they have such fun, don't they? Such fun. Oh, he dropped his. Yes, they do have fun, don't they, with their silly little boats. Yeah. Anyway, cheers, dude. Nice one. Another lovely day on planet Earth. Miniature Yacht Club. Wow, they do like it, don't they? Can I join in too? Probably not. Cut.